We are in the credit repair business. So if you're thinking about starting your own credit restoration agency or franchise, you are in the right place. We provide the entire infrastructure and an A-rated customer service. You provide the professionalism and dedication. We host multiple live conference calls each week to assist new partners entering into the business. Training forms are provided to help you plan out your credit repair business, list contacts, and cover all the basics on succeeding as a new partner. We strive to provide a financial opportunity in its most complete form. With a focus on consumer education and providing a unique personalized experience, we work to eliminate the burden of financial uncertainty while creating a plan of action and peace of mind for the future. We take every step to ensure your clients a positive experience with our services. Start your credit repair business today.